Good evening, everybody, and a happy Aloha Friday to you. The storm watch continues. Hurricane Norman is no longer, but another hurricane looms.
Norman is now a tropical storm ripped apart by wind shear, but Hurricane Olivia still to the east and a major worry for us because right now it's on track to move directly towards our state.
I want to go right to Justin Cruz to tell us what we all need to know as we look to the weekend. Just.
Well, Howard, Marissa, you could pretty much write off Norman, as you mentioned. It's not really going to affect us. It's all eyes and all attention on Hurricane Olivia, which is still in the East Pacific, but should cross into the Central Pacific by the next 24 hours. Overall, let's take a snapshot of the health of this system. The thunderstorms that have been around the eye, they have gradually decreased. That's a sign of weakening. The water temperature is around 78 degrees. That's also good for weakening, and drier air as well as a stable air mass surrounds Olivia. Again, that's another good sign of weakening. The low wind shear, however, that is problematic because with the higher wind shear, that would start to weaken the storm. It doesn't look like we're going to have much wind shear until it gets closer to the Hawaiian Islands. Thankfully, we do have that in the forecast. Currently, 1,290 miles east of Hilo, the forecast track has all except the island of Kauai in the cone of uncertainty, or the forecast cone. But that doesn't mean Kauai is not going to get impacted by some of the surf, maybe some of the rains. This is a statewide situation in terms of the impacts. What you're looking at with the cone is where the center of the system may be, and any kind of shift in the track could bring different effects to different parts of the state. But what I want you to take away from this is between the Tuesday afternoon time frame and the Wednesday afternoon time frame, winds could be around the center of the system anywhere between 65 and 50 miles per hour as it approaches the state or is very near the state. Now, potential impacts, we won't know till the system gets closer, but I do want to give you a few days to concentrate on, because if you're going to prepare or if you want to hunker down, you'll need to know these days, and this is subject to change. Largest surf early Tuesday into Wednesday. That's going to be the days that you want to stay out of the water. Heaviest rain late Tuesday and Wednesday. Strongest winds Wednesday. Again, if this track changes to the north, or maybe the system speeds up or slows down, I'll have to adjust these times and these days. But this, looking ahead as we look to any potential impacts, those are the days we've got to watch out for. Strong upper level winds right now. You can see that wind flow in the high altitudes weakens, and then it rebounds as Hurricane Olivia, or what's left of it, Tropical Storm Olivia, moves over the island. So this is our natural protections in the high levels of the atmosphere that will slowly help to shear and weaken what is now a hurricane into Tropical Storm Olivia. Of course, the only constant is that things change, so it's best if you download the KHON2 mobile app. We update 24 hours a day and allow for push alerts so you'll always be in the know. Howard, Marissa, back to you.